Hello IG Garage family. If you're seeing a P0290 code and the check engine light is on, you're dealing with an issue related to the fuel pressure regulator. This is crucial for your engine's performance, and ignoring it could lead to poor fuel efficiency and engine stalling. In today's video, I'll show you what P0290 means, where to find the problem area, and how to fix it. Stick with me. This fix is easier than you think, and you'll get your car running smoothly again. The P0290 code indicates a performance issue with the fuel pressure regulator. It happens when the fuel pressure regulator control circuit isn't functioning properly. This can affect the fuel pressure supplied to the engine and disrupt proper fuel delivery. Symptoms of P0290: check engine light, CL on, poor engine performance or power loss, stalling or rough idle, poor fuel efficiency. Common causes of P0290: 1. A faulty fuel pressure regulator. The most common cause is a regulator failure, leading to inconsistent fuel pressure. 2. Wiring issues or poor connections. Loose or corroded wiring can cause incorrect pressure readings and trigger the P0290 code. 3. A faulty fuel pressure sensor. If the sensor doesn't relay correct information to the engine control unit, you could see this code. 4. Fuel system issues. If there's a clog or issue in the fuel lines, it can interfere with proper pressure regulation. The fuel pressure regulator is typically located on or near the fuel rail. The fuel rail is the metal tube that runs along the top of the engine and delivers fuel to the fuel injectors. The regulator itself may be attached directly to the fuel rail or to the fuel return line. First, check the fuel pressure regulator. Inspect the fuel pressure regulator for any signs of failure, such as fuel leaks or corrosion. If the regulator appears damaged or doesn't function correctly, replace it. And that's how you diagnose and fix the P0290 code. Addressing fuel pressure issues will restore engine performance, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce the risk of further damage. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips from IG Garage. Check out these related videos: P0255, Fuel Pump Control Circuit Malfunction, and P0256, Fuel Pump Control Circuit Range Performance. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.